Yeah.
How many fingers am I holding up?
You have like 2 fingers.
Yeah, you know, I have to babysit and watch over her.
Are you gonna go in the water, sweetie?
No, I'm too old for that. I'm 5.5.
Yeah, whatever you say, honey.
Your shorts make it look like you pooped yourself.
Okay, and you look like a dried up dragon fruit.
What even is that you're speaking nonsense?
Okay, well, at least I'm not dead inside. You guys are totally going down. We were never here.
Let's all wear skirts and not tell Emo Barney.
I'm surfing the waves, dude.
What waves?
Oh no, someone needs my help.
Please, UwU Baba boy, go in the water with me.
Okay, fine. Look how many push-ups I can do.
Oh
Oopsies.
no! Whoa! This is scary. Oh no, a shark! A stingray too? Nice stingray.
Never hold their breath for the longest wins.
Okay, but you're gonna lose.
Oh my gosh. I won! Move out of my way!
Ay, bonito, papito, mi alma te llama. Papito, 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 dame, dame, dame tu alma. Bonito, papito, mi alma te llama. Papito, 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 dame, dame, dame tu alma. Choco, 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 chocolata. Choco, 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 chocolata. Mami, mami, ay, mami, mami, mami.
Wow, that's such a nice sand castle, honey.
I'll give you $5 if you can make a big sandcastle.
I don't know, honey, it's a little.
Hey, are you done yet? Oh, whoa! Dang, this girl means business. Wait, where's my wallet?
Hello, lovely daughter. We hit the lottery. I found somebody's wallet on the floor.
Honey, it's getting late. Maybe we can ask if me, you, and your friend group can leave. We don't want them past their curfew.
Hello? Is anybody there? Guys?